Hello guys, welcome to Passivern. In this video, I am going to showing you how to buy domain and hosting from Namecheap. At first, click on the link given in the description and go to the Namecheap. Log into Namecheap. If you are not already logged in Namecheap, then click Get Started and from there select your expected plan from here. I would recommend you guys to select the second plan because it's most popular, and if you buy this second plan then you will get a .com domain for free, and it gives you the opportunity to get the unlimited website and unmetered SSD, and it will back up automatically your website so that you do not lose your any data from your website. You can select another two also. There are other two plans such as Stellar plan and Stellar business, but I will select here Stellar plus. So I will select the plan. Just click here, select plan, and I will search my domain name here. From here I want to buy Passivern.online. So I am selecting the domain, and as I selected the Stellar plus plan, so I will get this Passivern.online domain for free, which required 21.88 USD. If I have to pay for this, I'm getting this for free as I selected the second plan, and I'm not selecting the .com because the .com domain I have already taken. After selecting your desired domain, click on connect to hosting, then click on add to cart. You can on or off your auto renew option as you want, but I want to keep it on my auto renewal option because it's free, and I want to keep off my domain registration auto renew. From the down below you can select your professional email, and it's free for 2 months if you use my link in the description. So just go to the description and click on the link, then you will get your professional email for free for the first 2 months. Do not select SSL, it's required 4.98 USD per year, but if you use my link then you will get this SSL certificate for free. After selecting all the things, then select confirm. Give your all information here. After filling up all your information, click continue. Then check your information whether they are right or wrong. After that, select continue. Enter your billing information here. I'm not entering my billing information for my privacy purpose, but you guys just enter your card name and card number, month and CVC here, and then click on continue. After clicking on continue, the domain and hosting will add on your dashboard. Then click on your username and go to dashboard. Here you will see all your domain and hosting you already added on your dashboard. Click on domain list. You will see here all your domain, such as I already buy my Passivern.com, so it is in my dashboard, and then click on hosting list and you will see your hosting plan here. In this way you will buy domain and hosting from Namecheap. You can get up to 80% discount and a free SSL and a professional email for free for 2 months from my referral link in the description below. So just go to the description of this video and click on the link. You will get a great discount from this link. Thank you so much.
Please subscribe the channel. It's free but helpful. So why not to help each other? Please subscribe. It will not take more than 1 second. So please subscribe the channel. Thank you.